Really, there are 5 ways it can help out with design: content creation, feedback, brainstorming, creating personas, and articulation. That's right, it can make titles and descriptions, tell you what it likes and what it would change about your design. It helps you brainstorm your next design. It helps you understand users by creating a persona, and it helps you say what you want to say. Let's go to chat for some examples. Number 1, content creation. Let's say I'm making a YouTube video, and I already did all the recording and I already did all the editing, but now comes the boring work. The still important boring work, but the boring work. Creating titles and descriptions, finding tags for the video, stuff like that. It's something I can just ask AI, something I could just ask ChatGPT. And voila, look at that. I mean, they look like YouTube titles. I mean, I would click on something like that. These are videos that already exist on YouTube, you know? Number 2, feedback. You can tell ChatGPT, "Chat, I'm making a website, but I don't know how to add depth. A lot of my stuff is already white, but I don't want to add shadows. It doesn't really go with the vibe. What can I improve?" And look at it go. It's saying gradient background, it's saying layering, typography, contrast. You see, because chat has access to so much of the internet and knows what's good and what's wrong. And look, I asked to don't include shadows and it gave me 11 other things that I can use. Number 3, brainstorming. "Hey chat, I'm making this new game. It's gonna be about a city turned to stone. It's gonna feel really desolate. It's gonna feel sad. But I need some ideas for bosses. Can you help me out?" And look at it go. I mean, these really are unique bosses. You know, we think of rocks, but we can also think of, melted rocks, lava, a molten monolith. We talk about this city, so the highest part, the most grandiose part, can be a boss. Number 4, persona development. What kind of people would play this game? I need to know what type of people I'm selling to so I can better create the game and make a better user experience for my different users. Now look at this. It's giving me types of people, it's giving me a name, and it's also giving me a description about who they are, and it's giving me games that are like the ones that those people would play. Number 5, articulation. Chat, I need to sell this thing, but I'm really more of a programmer myself, and I don't really know how to articulate my elevator pitch. If someone asks about the game, I don't really know what I'm going to tell them. I don't know how to accurately convey what I want to say because my words will get in the way of what I really mean. So would you please give me an elevator pitch? And here it is. Bottom line, chat can help you with so much more than you think. Although, somewhere, all chat is just a series of circuits moving electricity that talks in ones and zeros, it can still be great support for design. That's it for the short video. If you liked the short video, let the algorithm know and give it a thumbs up. That way it will show you more content like this. Not only that, it can help other people find what you think is valuable. And besides, I like seeing that number raise. If you want to further increase your productivity with chat, check out this video right here. If you find yourself liking a lot of these videos, maybe consider subscribing. I don't know. It really helps me get my videos shown to other people. So if you like it, maybe help us out. Until next time.